Welcome. In a short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to link a file to a to-do in Basecamp. All right, so first up, open up your project. And in here, just go to your to-dos, okay? Click on it. And then once done, create a new list. Name this list, maybe edit these photos, okay? Add this list. And then once done, assign it. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and assign this one to my second account. And when done, I'm going to assign it right here to myself. Okay, do on, maybe last date of the month. In here, describe the to-do. Okay, maybe AI. All right, notes here. Under notes, this is where we put our link or files or photos. Okay, just click on it. And in here, you have the paperclip icon. Just click on it and it will open up your device's storage. So what you'll do is just go ahead and find this specific file. It could be a photo, a docs, or an Excel file. It doesn't matter. Okay. So just click on one, hit on open. There you go. Once that's done, just hit on add this to do. You're good to go. If you want to add in some more, for example, game, okay, assign, then notes. If you need a link, you can go ahead and click on this link right here. Maybe it is a file from Google Drive. You can just go ahead and go to our drive.google.com right here. Then just right click, share, copy link, close this one, paste the URL, hit on link, edit the photo from this link. Okay, add this to do. There you go. Another one, edit table from this Excel file. Just for example, notes, click on it, paperclip, select this specific document right here, maybe this one, hit on open, wait for it, and you can see here it's uploaded, hit on add this to do, and once done, you're good to go. That is it. That's how easy it is to link a file to a to-do in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.